This anti-snoring device can end your snoring overnight. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides relief by gently moving your jaw forward. It's the easiest way to end your snoring for good. And the best part is, it'll work the first night you try it. Other anti-snoring techniques don't target the root cause, which is soft tissue falling in the back of your throat. ZQuiet is good to use straight out of the box. Simply put it in before bed and enjoy a better night's sleep, completely snore-free. It even comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you really have nothing to lose. Over 1.5 million well-rested customers are already using ZQuiet. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try ZQuiet.